Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. You can call me Richman. In fact, guys, Chelsea journey to win the Club World Cup continues. Chelsea to be the first club in history to win the newly tournament Club World Cup continues. And Chelsea play their first group game against LAFC. And Chelsea won by 2-0, collected the 3 points. And now, Chelsea is about to play their second group game against Flamingo FC. And in fact, guys, during the first round in the group stages, so many big teams who we saw in their group that, okay, they will just beat the rest of the teams. Their group is just a walkover. At the end of the day, it didn't happen. What we were seeing, it didn't happen. Real Madrid drew with Al Hilal. Nobody see this coming. All of us were thinking Real Madrid would just sweep the group, yes, and beat everybody and collect all the 9 points and go. But unfortunately, it didn't happen. Dortmund, their group, they are the favorite, clear favorite, but they also drew. The same as Inter Milan in this competition, they drew, and their group, they are also the favorite. The same as Porto, they also drew. They could not collect the 3 points. Their group, they are also the favorite. But unfortunately, our Chelsea, will beat LAFC. Look at the good performance they showed there. They all said that as Chelsea fans, we shouldn't talk. We shouldn't speak. That we beat a low side LAFC. For that matter, Flamingo is going to beat us. For that matter, we should prepare for Flamingo. They are coming to humble Chelsea. As Al Hilal humble Real Madrid. We shall see. So for me, that is why I take game as important game. Yes, Chelsea versus Flamingo, because I heard Enzo Maresca during his press conference said that he's going to do some rotation and what. I don't want to see massive rotation in this squad or the squad that is going to play against Flamingo. I don't want to see. I want to see all our best players. Maybe the third game, because if Chelsea win this game, we will qualify. Yes, 6 points, you are good to go. You are qualified already. So maybe the third game against with team experiments, there we can experiment with Esugo and Andros Santos and co. By the way, Chelsea Flamingo, it is going to be a tough game. In our group, they also have 3 points. Guys, we have 3 points. They also have 3 points. The same goes as Chelsea. 2 goals they also scored the last game. And we also score 2 goals. So the game will be difficult, because that means that as we are speaking now, we are the 2 good side in the group. Yes. So guys, Chelsea Flamingo, important game. I will not underrate this game, because in football, you can only beat a team in front of you, or you can only win a match in front of you. Before Chelsea can reach the final of the Club World Cup, Chelsea must start from here. Before you go to the top in life, you must start from the bottom. You must start from the beginning. A journey of any 1,000 miles start with 1 step. So for that matter, let's go and dismantle. Yes, put the enemies into shame, beat Flamingo. By the way, guys, during the press conference of this game, Enzo Maresca said so many things. They asked him a lot of important questions. So let's come and look at them one after the other. And also after this video, another video is coming about Mohamed Kudus latest, João Pedro latest, Osimhen latest, and other wingers Chelsea interested to sign. Yes, Aston Villa want to sign our best striker, the best striker in the Premier League. Yes, Nicolas Jackson, and so many other transfer news. So please, after this video, that video is also loading. That video is coming. So please turn on the notification bell, hit the like button, and hit the subscription button. When that video comes, you will be the first person to see it. Let's quick come to Enzo Maresca press conference. The first one, they asked him about no Madueke. Yes, rumors are saying that Chelsea want to sell him, or it look like Chelsea will sell him. Even information came that Arsenal have him on their radar, on their list. If Chelsea will allow him to leave, Arsenal will go for Nuno Madueke. So for that matter, they asked Enzo Maresca about that transfer saga or rumors, and Enzo Maresca said, well, for now, Madueke is Chelsea player. Yes, for that matter, he is in our Chelsea team currently. And there are rumors and everything can say about him, but for now, he is Chelsea player. And information came that Madueke is not one of those players in Chelsea camp who is untouchable, because when the season ended, information came that Kulpama, Casado, and Cucurella, yes, they are untouchable in this Chelsea team. Yes, the rest, anything can happen. The rest of the players, Chelsea can sell any of them, but only these 3 players, they are untouchable. So for that matter, Madueke name is part of those players who are not untouchable. So information said that he is on the list, or Chelsea may decide to sell him. So they asked Enzo Maresca, and Enzo Maresca said for now he is Chelsea player. Even Enzo Maresca talked about, yes, Chelsea to sign a winger. He confirmed it. He said for sure Chelsea must bring a winger for that position. We only have Neto, Madueke, and Achampong. So for that matter, we need more players at that position. And to be honest, indeed, we need a player there, especially the left wing position. We need at least 2 players there to come and help Madueke. So guys, that is the first question they asked Enzo Maresca. He confirmed that Chelsea will go for a winger, and Madueke is currently a Chelsea player, but he didn't stipulate it or say it clearly that okay, he's for sale or not. But currently he is Chelsea player, and Chelsea will go for a winger. They asked Enzo Maresca another important question about Moses Casado moving forward. Some of us who was watching Casado at Brighton, when you look at Casado days at Brighton, in some games he was moving forward. Yes, he was playing as number 8 in some of their games. Even he was scoring goals there. So they asked Enzo Maresca about Casado moving forward in this Chelsea team. And Enzo Maresca said that Casado is a player who can play any position except the goalkeeping position. That Casado can play, he is versatile. Versatility. Casado is someone who can play everywhere except the goalkeeping position. And for me, I still believe that Casado can still be a goalkeeper. Casado can play as a goalkeeper also. Yes. So Enzo Maresca said he can play everywhere. But the issue is that if he's going to move Casado forward, that means Enzo Fernandez will not play. That means Cole Palmer will not play. Because if Casado will move forward, Casado will go to that position. Enzo or Cole Palmer will play. So that is the issue. And that Chelsea need balance. So that is one of the reasons why he can move Moses Casado up there to the number 8 to the number 10 position. But Casado is a good player. He can play everywhere. And sometimes it's about tactics. Sometimes it's not about the positioning. Yes, the position is also part. But some games where the opponent sit deep, yes, you can allow your DM to also attack more, to add more numbers in the front line, yes, to create more goal scoring opportunity. So some games I would like to see it, because Casado is very good on the shooting. I won't come to the volley. Over the past 2 seasons, Casado he always likes scoring at the ending part of every season. Yes, this season he scored. Yes, our last game against Forest, and the last season it looked like Manchester United. Yes. So when Casado move forward, he is very good. He is prolific, clinical. Yes, in terms of goal scoring. So maybe in some games, I would like to see Casado moving forward, where, as I said, the opponent sit deep, especially in Stamford Bridge. Those low blocks teams, Casado can then advance forward to see if he can also score, create golden opportunity. So guys, that is the answer, or that is the question, and that is the answer Enzo Maresca gave. Yes. And let's come to the next one about Cucurella, the best left back in the Premier League, the best left back in European football. Cucurella. They asked Enzo Maresca about Cucurella, and Enzo Maresca said Cucurella is intelligent player. Last season or this season, he played 4 to 5 positions at the same time, and he played at his best in all those positions. Yes, and I can tell you, it seems he scored 7 goals in all competition, or 5 goals in all competition. No, 7. I think 7 goals in all competition. As a defender, some certain teams, they are strikers. They are 100 million strikers. They are 80 million strikers. They don't score even up to 5 goals. But a defender like Cucurella giving Chelsea 7 goals in a season. What a wow. And yes, see, Cucurella is super intelligent. I'm telling you. Since Enzo Maresca set in, it is only Cucurella who adapted to Enzo Maresca, inverted something, inverted left back, inverted left wing, inverted right back, inverted whatever. It is only even Rich James. We didn't see Rich James did it as compared to Cucurella. Cucurella in the midfield, he's one of the best. Cucurella in the attack, he's one of the best. Cucurella in defense, he's one of the best. Except Puma was trying to shame Cucurella, if you can remember, against Spurs. Yes. So yes, Cucurella, the guy, and up to now, Cucu is not like slowing. You see Cucurella and Casado. Like I was thinking they will get tired at some point, but Charlie, the more they play, the more they improve. The more they play, the more they give us that quality performance. So Cucurella is really intelligent, top-notch guy, top-notch player. So guys, that is the answer from Enzo Maresca for Cucurella. And they asked Enzo Maresca another important question about playing Liam Delap and Nicolas Jackson together in some Chelsea games. And Enzo Maresca said he never tried at Leicester City. Come and see how Chelsea fans went on him. That Chelsea is not Leicester City. You shouldn't be mentioning Leicester City name when we are talking about Chelsea. And it's true. No. You didn't try something at Leicester City, that means that you can't try it in Chelsea. Or something didn't work for you at Leicester City doesn't mean that it can't work in Chelsea. No. Chelsea no be Leicester City. Chelsea no be Man U or Arsenal. Yes. So guys, they asked Enzo Maresca about playing Liam Delap and Nicolas Jackson together. And Enzo Maresca said, okay, I will try and see, but I never tried at Leicester City. And that one also, I would like to see it one day. Yes. Especially those low block teams. Yes. So that we can add more. During the days of Drogba. Yes. Drogba and Anelka and co. Yes. They ever played that. Even Chelsea. Yes. During their time, we ever played two strikers. And it works. It works. Especially if you need more goals. When a game is going to an end and you need goals to win that game, you can add second striker. Or even when you look at Nicolas Jackson, he is very good at the left wing side. Anytime that Jackson is playing as a winger, he's very good because he started his football being a winger. It's Chelsea he came and all this striker. Nicolas Jackson now is not just a striker. He must score what Jackson primary position is wing, the left wing position. So Jackson at that position is good. Is good. So maybe some games, Liam Delap as a number 9, as a striker, and Jackson as a winger. Yes, it can work. It can. But the issue is that if Jackson is going to play as a winger, that means Maresca must bench one of our wingers, whether Neto or Madueke. Yes, and maybe Kudus and Co. One of our wingers he must bench. So that is an issue. So for Maresca to contain the natural wingers, he must bench whether Liam Delap or Nicolas Jackson to start one number 9 to contain the wingers. By the way, guys, let me hear from you under the comment section your opinion, your thought about Chelsea. Yes, Enzo Maresca playing Nicolas Jackson and Liam Delap together in some of our games. And let's come to Flamingo, the team we are going to play against. They asked him about Flamingo, how he see them. And Enzo Maresca said they are a good side. Yes, they are playing good football, tactical football. And they have a coach who is also former Chelsea player. Yes, Filipe Luis. He played for Chelsea 2014 to 2015. Yes, 2014. Yes, 15. One season in Chelsea. He played something like 26 games for Chelsea. And he scored 1 goal or 2 goals. He is former Chelsea player. Their manager, Flamingo, Filipe Luis. He is Brazilian. So they are a good side. And we saw it. They also won their game in the group. So not to underrate them. No way. See, this Club World Cup, I said in one of my videos that if your team got the chance to be here and you could win it and you did some mistakes or you underrate this competition and at the end don't win it, you are going to regret it. Because see, it is going to be played every 4 years and the quality will be increasing every 4 years. It will come every 4 the quality. See, so when your team win it, see, it will take years again for you to get the opportunity to even participate. Want to talk of winning it, and now it is now a trophy. We cannot call it a small trophy. It looks like Champions League and even World Cup trophy. Look at the prize money in there. Look at the big teams in there. Even this one is, I can even say this competition contains more than Champions League. Champions League is for only European teams. But this one, around the world, Africa, everywhere, Asia, everywhere is there. So this tournament, if your team get the opportunity to win it, they must go and win it. And stop that underrating. If any team do mistake and underrate this tournament, at the end your team doesn't win, as I said, Charlie, it will, because as we are speaking now, the group I fear in this tournament is Manchester United group, Arsenal group, Liverpool group, and Barcelona group. These 4 teams I fear in this tournament. Yes, because they are small clubs, they have their own groups. Yes, these 4 teams. So this tournament, I want if we can win it, we must go and win it. We should not say that we don't have the squad, or we should not say that this is the first time. Yes, opportunity doesn't come at once, but this kind of opportunities, if you don't grab it, it can come. Like if you don't win it this, it can take you years for you to get that kind of opportunity again, like qualifying for Champions League or even winning Champions League. The last time Manchester United won Champions League, can we remember? At that time, I wasn't married, but now I am married with 4 wives, with 5 children. The last time Manchester United won a Champions League trophy, I wasn't married, but now I can tell you that I'm married with 4 wives, 5 children. Yes, so some opportunities you have to grab it. So no way to underrate this tournament. Chelsea must go in with our strong squad to go and beat Flamingo and qualify straight. If we win against Flamingo, 6 points, grab, we qualify. That is all. So guys, you see this game, Enzo Maresca must come out with the first 11. Yes, all the players. And he said nobody's injured. Resumes, everybody's there. Casado, Kulpama, Liam Delap. And this game, I would like to see Liam Delap start. But if Jackson start, no problem. But I would like to see more playing time from Liam Delap and our midfielders, Esugo and Andros Santos and Co. Maybe if we win, score and early goals, yes, he can bring them in. And even at Champion, I want to see more from our young guys, those who just joined. Yes. So guys, for me, I will not talk a lot. I will not give my in-depth analysis about this game. We should just go with our strong squad and do what? Go and win it and qualify and move further. And this competition will even get interesting during the round of 16 to the semi-final. There, it will even get interesting. So imagine at that time, our Chelsea is not there. That will be a disaster and a shame. So I want Chelsea to go further. At least win it. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section, yes, about this competition. Where do you think Chelsea will reach in this competition? And as I said, another video may come about the latest transfers and Premier League fixtures came out. A certain months are being tough and difficult. Yes, in those fixtures, I think December and January, or I guess whatever. So please, that video may come, and don't forget to hit the like button and hit the subscription button for this video to reach more Chelsea fans on the YouTube algorithm. Take care. Peace.